To achieve success, you don't need a lot of money. In fact, you will earn them on your own. And in this video, I will reveal how. With this system, I learned how to make first money in trading an income of 200 a week. So watch the video till the end. I will show you all the exact setting and nuances so you can achieve a stable income. Alright guys, let's start setting up our trading system. We will need the alligator indicator and the Williams oscillator, also known as Williams R. For the alligator, set the jaws period to 14, remove the teeth line, we don't need it, and make the remaining bands slightly thicker. Okay, everything's ready. Now we can break down the strategy logic, and this session is perfect for it. Let me walk you through it. First key rule, monitoring the crossover between the blue and the green bands. Key signals, when the blue bands stay above, the asset trends downward. That's our first trading condition. Now let's examine the opposition scenario. Example here, immediate brand crossover, the green line dominates above and the price rallies in this zone. See the logic. Blue above means downtrend and green above uptrend is the simplest sign for entries. But sometimes the asset enters these phases sideways flat, where the alligators become nearly useless. That's why we have Williams R. We identify zones when the asset break out of its channels. For us, this is a signal to avoid the trade. As you can see, here the asset stalled and reversed. Now let's look at the opposite scenario. If Williams dips below the lower boundary and then recovers, the asset start gaining momentum. So in this case, we have a stop signal. It's not worth entering a short position. Okay, now we will all set the alligator indicators. Suggest an entry while Williams warms of reversal. Next, I will carefully analyze the current market and find out first entry point. Let's go. Okay, here the first entry point. I see a strong upside opportunity here. First, the previous downward has been broken. You can even see the reversal forming of the chart. Second, the alligator green line is above, meaning the asset is in the growth phase. Third, Williams R is just exiting the overall sold zone and re-entering the channel. We were seeing a bounce and it's reasonable to expect a new upward phase. Now let's confirm this. The price is already climbing it, likely to move towards these levels. Here the nearest one, with a further target beyond. Overall, the chart should entrench all the key levels it previously fell from. Remember traders, the market always moves from level to level, so it's crucially to spot them during your trades. At the very least, they serve as key reference point in our analysis. 3 to 1. Okay, our first trade is already set guys. Now let's switch chart and trade something else. Here we go, a new opportunity that I will take immediately. Here I am opening a short position. Let's break it down. The blue line is above and the green. The asset is generally declining. Plus Williams has long exited the lower zone. Nothing prevents it from returning there. So we calmly wait for the result. A few words above the Williams indicators, it worked best at the moment of re-entering the channel. If several candles close, after that its signals become irrelevant. This strategy works on any time frame, but keep in the mind its speed. You know, if you trade using it, catch the movement and watch the chart closely. Generally, this applies to all trading. The more attentive you are, the lower your chances of losing. I am closing another profitable trade here. Guys, now let's increase the risk. Wait a bit and re-enter the market. I really like this asset right now. I am sure we can open a few strong trades here. Perfect, now the time. I am back in the market under the same conditions, expecting a price drop. By the way, this is another advantage of the strategy. And the alligator is particular. The indicators allow multiple consecutive entries because it essentially gives just two signals, will rise and will fall. If William does not signal the opposite, nothing stops us from making multiple trades on the same chart. In fact, in my experience, such trades tend to be more successful in the long run. Meanwhile, the price isn't the best option yet. through it shows sign of decline. We have 10 seconds left before expiration. Okay, much better now. This is exactly the outcomes we need, just a couple more seconds and yes, looking in profit guys. Now let's wait a bit and make another market entry. I will show you another setups with different currency pair later. Alright, we are expecting another drop. The last red candle clearly indicates there is still downside potential here. Now I will show you the area. Here it is. This is where the price previously tried to break through. Now we see the third attempt. Maybe this one will succeed. As you can see, trading is often dynamic activity with constant entry points and growing deposits. If you want to try it yourself with minimum risk, join my Telegram channel, link in the description. There I share my personal trade signals. I open trade myself and share them with my team. It's a great option for beginners looking to grow their deposit, so I recommended giving it a try. Meanwhile, I am closing my fourth profitable trade today. Time to switch asset. I will back soon, guys. Okay, opened a short immediately. Here Williams is still neutral. The asset is declining and the alligator blue is on the top. Here's the target level. Guys, there also a second closer one. Now we just wait for the result. One more important note about this strategy. This is just an example, guys. Your personal trading experience may differ. Nothing will stop you for adding a third indicator if you need. My goal is to give you a ready-to-use working tool. You can replicate it exactly or use it foundation for your own trading approach. It's all in your hand. Guys, another confident trade close. Time to find the last one and I'm already looking. Opening a short, here's another similar setup. Let's analyze it to reinforce what we have learned. Here's the level the asset is approaching. We can expect a reversal from it, but not yet. Another indicator within our strategy suggests a drop, so it's a perfect for our final trade. Okay, no movement in our direction yet, but no need to worry. Always keep emotions in check. Cold boldness is the key in trading. Any asset moves almost randomly, especially within a single minute. Anything can happen until the very end. If you get too emotional, you just lose your nerves. Final second, guys. Yes, now that's what I call a brilliant result. That's enough for today. Let's wrap it up. And there you have it, guys. The number speaks for themselves. $4,000 in pure profit from just one trading session. Anything is possible when you have a solid trading system, and now you can try it yourself. To make your start even more confident and profitable, I highly recommend joining my Telegram channel. Beside reliable trade signals and breakdown of other strategies. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and drop a comment above this video. I always want to know my viewers are looking for. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Trade well.